Hey, Eggman, can you even see me from up there?
Yeah! Oh, I have a suite of targeting system just for you, Hedgehog. I'm gonna bury you in the sand forever!
Wow, with that giant robot? That sounds intimidating. If anybody other than you was saying it.
You know what they say, though the bigger they are, the faster I run, higher I jump, and the harder I hit.
That's not how the saying goes. Nobody says that!
Oh, Sonic the Hedgehog, you started without me?
Hey, miles tails per hour. Thanks for the lift.
No problem. Now let's take this Gigamech down. Tri-polyar alloy armor and its hybrid fuel cells and its 5,000 horsepower central engine. Oh man, what kind of torque do you get off those shoulder gears? What's the output of the primary drive?
Only about 121 gigawatts.
Great Scott, no way, that's awesome.
And it goes from 0 to 60 in under a minute.
Great. We're here to smash the giant deadly weapon, remember?
Good luck smashing it without me, Knuckles the Echidna. That's right, I get to introduce myself. You don't look so tough, robot. Come on, I'll give you one free shot before I tear you to pieces. Oh! It wears a size 160.
Knuckles, are you okay?
Amy Rose? I already did my intro.
That robot is dangerous enough without you helping it.
I wasn't helping.
Let it stomp on you.
Give it a false sense of security?
Being piloted by Eggman, he's always self-deluded. Get behind the left knee and wait for my mark.
Fine.
Tails, keep him distracted. Sonic, get in position. Both of you hit the cockpit on my mark.
Ready.
Ready.
Ready?
Wait, what's going on?
Now!
Nice work, gang.
Thanks, Sonic.
Any sign of Eggman? What's he doing now?
From here it looks like the backstroke.
Grr, just needs a few upgrades, that's all.
Sonic, Tails, Knuckles, Amy, emergency alert!
Sticks the Badger. You can relax. We already sent Eggman packing.
Did you just say my name is a logo?
Yeah, it's the first issue gimmick. We'll go back to the regular lettering next month.
Oh, okay. Now then. Tails' house has been robbed!
I've been robbed?
Oh, Tails, I'm so sorry.
When we catch those thieves,
Was stolen my wrench set, my box of nuclear rubber bands, my vintage drill bits.
All of it, of course. Weren't you listening? I said your house got robbed!
so where's the house again?
Sticks, for this instance, the proper syntax would be that Tails' house was stolen. Robbed, stolen, so what? It's gone, ain't it? Isn't it? I asked you!
Can debate grammar later. Who took my house?
A cyborg rock golem. I saw it! It came up out of the ground and carried off Tails' house on its head!
So, Eggman managed to sneak some kind of mecha golem under Tails' house, but never thought to just attack us in our sleep?
He's a doofus. Who cares? My house is gone.
And we'll get it back. We just need to come up with a plan.
Got it. Step 1, find the rock cyborg. Step 2, smash it without wrecking Tails' house. Step 3, get his house back here somehow. Step 4, party!
1, 2, 4.
Flawless! Except for all the problems with that plan.
Key here is the not smashing my house part.
We'll work out the details on the run. Any thoughts, Nux?
Can rocks even be a cyborg?
Styx must have caught the scent. She's tracking the robo-golem. Come on!
I know Styx has some feral talents from growing up in the wild, but this is amazing.
No, I don't think any of my gizmos could track the Robo Golem as well as her nose.
I wonder what sneaker size they'd wear.
Probably 160. I found that out with my face. I was gathering intelligence.
And yet you've retained none of it.
Anyway, found the Robo Cyborg Golem wrapping.
Awesome, everything is intact.
Ah! That thing's hat looks just like Tails' house!
It is Tails' house.
Oh. I didn't know Tails lived in a hat. Does that mean he's got a postal code or a hat size?
Get ready to ambush that thing near the open lot. I'll be bringing the giant to you. So, since you're a giant Eggman robot and you're snuck in under a best buddy's house, I'm going to assume you're programmed to hate my guts. Hahaha. That's it, boulders for brains. Come and get me. 100-meter long stride, and you still can't keep up with Sonic the Hedgehog? Whoa, a double logo for the win.
You did it, Sonic!
We did it!
It's raining stones, just like my fortune cookie said.
Although, when I asked if I could crash at your place tonight, I didn't have this in mind.
You're always welcome. Just look up for Robot Infant Station.
You know, I'm liking these renovations. That's a really nice new paved walkway, a rock garden, and quarry.
Alright, ready to... forget my lines. Darn. Ugh. Alright, come on. Remember, come on. Damn. Remember when they were making Sonic Boom comics? Those were good times. Who's that idiot with the trash can on his head? Oops, wrong Knuckles. Ha! That thing's hat looks like Lemon's house! Can cyborgs even be rocks? Ugh, I got stomped on. And not in the hot way. I found that out with my face. Punching time! I refuse to approve of these memes. Hey, Sonic, bro to bro, is there a boom version of Rouge? Asking for a friend. Knock knock, it's Knuckles, and I'm full of chuckles. Together we can